Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Haitian mac and cheese recommended by Ratio Street. And let's get started. Today's ingredients: 1 box of macaroni Ziti Rigati, 1 cup of boiled ham, half cup of green and red pepper, celery, 3 cloves smashed, garlic, handful of celery, half onion, and 16 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise is optional, and 1 can evaporated milk, and a pot spread with flour and butter. I'm adding the macaroni and let it cook for 25 minutes. I'm straining the macaroni. I'm going to make the béchamel sauce. I'm adding the evaporated milk and the rest of the ingredients. After I add all the ingredients, I let them cook for 10 minutes. I'm adding the butter now. I'm adding half of the cheese. I'm adding the flour and water mixture to the sauce. After I add the flour water mixture to the sauce, I let it cook for 5 minutes and pour it into the boiled macaroni. Make sure the sauce has a thick consistency. Now I'm adding the mayonnaise, ham, and the pocket Goya. Mix everything well. I'm adding garlic powder. In this pan, I spread butter and a sprinkle of flour so the macaroni won't stick to the pan. I'm going to pour the macaroni in the pan. I'm gonna add the rest of the cheddar cheese on the top. Make sure the top of the macaroni is completely covered. I'm going to put the macaroni in the preheated oven at 350 degrees and let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes. This is the final result. Bon appétit! Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below of what Haitian dish I should do next time. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving from my family to yours. Thank you. Bye-bye.